What's going on, guys? This is Happy Wheels Cars and Stuff, and right now I have a broken exhaust hanger bushing. Just snapped in half on me. So anyways, I went ahead and loosened the hanger, or the metal hanger that the bushing's on, with a 13 millimeter socket. And the way you're going to be doing this, by the way, new bushing, found on Amazon. Can't remember the price, but I'll post a link down below. It took me a little bit of research to find the correct one. I bought a little one off of Amazon, which I thought was right, but it was not. So I will post the correct one, which is this one, down below. Anyways, so the way I'm going to replace this, take a 13 millimeter socket, go ahead and fully take off this hanger. Okay. And essentially, bear with me, you're going to put the top portion of it just like this. Watch. Sorry. Doing this real quick like. So this is going to go on the top part, just like that. Okay. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you get it moved down to the center point, it's going to require a little bit of muscle. If you want to put grease on it, go right ahead. I didn't, but anyways. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put the left end right here onto the exhaust hanger. For me, I have a dual exhaust, so it might look different than some of yours. So let me put that on. Should go on fairly easy. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, you're going to want to move it enough to where, as you can see, hopefully, right here, you're going to want to move that bolt into this hole. So once it's into that hole, it's able to screw in without having to strain or, strip it, pull it, whatever. Go ahead and fully tighten it, and you should be good to go. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so there you have it. All good to go. Should load up just fine. Alright, guys, be sure to like and subscribe, and hope this helps. Have a good one.
As always, thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content coming to the channel soon.